The maintenance of white teeth following the treatment for teeth whitening is as crucial as receiving the treatment. It is important to make sure that the pearly whites remain bright and shining throughout the duration of. This video will provide some suggestions and tips for maintaining the results of your teeth whitening. 1. Maintain a healthy oral hygiene. One of the first steps to maintain the results of your teeth's whitening is practicing proper dental hygiene. It is important to brush your teeth twice every day, flossing frequently as well as making use of mouthwash. Be sure to choose the right toothpaste made for whitening in order to maintain your teeth at their most beautiful. 2. Beware of drinks and foods that cause staining. Certain food items as well as drinks may cause tooth staining and reverse the results of your tooth bleaching treatment. The most common culprits are tea, coffee as well as red wine and dark fruit like berries. Make sure to avoid the consumption of these products and at the very least wash your mouth in water following drinking them in order to prevent staining. 3. Stop smoking cigarettes. Smoking can be harmful to general health, however, it may also cause yellowing of your teeth, causing the teeth to become stained. If you quit smoking, it can keep your teeth looking clean and white. In addition, the body will be grateful to you over time. 4. Regularly schedule dental visits. If you're not following a strict dental hygiene regimen, the tartar and plaque can accumulate over your teeth with time. The result is that your teeth look dull and stained. If you schedule regular cleanings for your teeth, your dentist will be able to remove the buildup and maintain your teeth at their most attractive. 5. Make sure to use whitening products in moderation. It may seem tempting to apply strips or toothpaste that whitening every day to keep your smile white. It's crucial to apply the products in moderation. The excessive use of these products could cause damage to the enamel of your teeth and cause teeth more susceptible to staining. Be sure to follow the directions on the packaging of the product and speak to your dentist should there are any questions. 6. Think about touch-up treatments. Based on the kind of treatment for teeth whitening you have received, you might require touch-ups every couple of months to keep the results. Consult your dentist about making appointments for touch-ups to ensure your smile is looking the best it can. 7. Get plenty of fluids. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can provide a variety of health benefits. It also keeps your teeth clean. Drinking water helps clean away the toxins in your food and also bacteria, which can cause discoloration and staining. Additionally, keeping hydrated is essential for general well-being. 8. Make sure you purchase a high-quality toothbrush. Using a high-quality toothbrush will make a huge impact on maintaining your tooth. The results of whitening. You should consider investing in an electronic toothbrush that has soft bristles because it will help you get rid of stains and plaque better than manual brushes. 9. Take note of what you eat. Be aware of your diet. Apart from avoid drinking and eating foods which stain your teeth, take note of your eating habits. A balanced and healthy diet rich in vegetables and fruits can aid in keeping your teeth clean and healthy. Beware of drinks and snacks that contain sugar because they could contribute to discoloration and tooth decay. 10. Talk to your dentist about it. If you're having any questions about keeping your teeth whitening results, do not hesitate to speak to your dental professional. They will provide you with individualized recommendations and guidance depending on your specific requirements and your oral health. To conclude, keeping the results of your teeth's whitening can be achieved through a combined with good dental hygiene habits, good health as well as regular dental checks. If you follow these guidelines and techniques, you will be able to keep your smile shining and gorgeous for many years to be.